Okay, so this is the standard Bahamas General Certificate of Secondary Education Examination graph sheet. Now, this sheet is used both in math as well as in science. So, any of the sciences that require graph paper, this is the official paper. This is going to be separate from the answer booklet, so you have to make certain that when you do the graph, that you put this sheet inside the answer booklet so that it can be marked. If you put it in the question booklet, you run the risk of your graph never being marked. Unfortunately, I know of a situation in which that has happened. So you'll put all of your information you do as you would put on the front of your exam. The school will provide you with that number. You put your candidate number. All of this other information is going to be on the question booklet. You'll put your initials, you sign it, you date it. If you need more graph paper, you raise your hand and request it. Do not assume that if you mess up the graph sheet, that's it. Now, it is going to be back to front and back. But if you make a mistake and you need another sheet, or for whatever reason, just raise your hand and ask for it, and someone will get it to you. So these squares are 1 centimeter squares. So the darker line will represent a centimeter. I should have brought that ruler back in. But anyways, these yeah, I'm gonna bring that in. I think I can undo and bring it back. Yes, there's the ruler here. So as you can see, let me flip this over. So if we were to line this up as such, so when we slide this over so that the first one starts at 0, my ruler doesn't have 0, but this is going to be 18 centimeters wide. And I believe, let me zoom out and see how tall this is going to be. Okay, I'm trying to, okay, there we go. Come on, ruler. I kind of get it vertical. Vertical line. There we go. So if we were to measure this from top to bottom and we scroll down, we'll see it's 22. So the sheet itself is going to be 18 centimeters wide and 22 centimeters vertically. So this is the graph paper we'll be using. And what you will notice is there's this little squares in between. There are 5 of them. So each one of these would represent two millimeters. Because if you have 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, then if there are 5 of them, 10 divided by 5 is 2. So the little blocks are in blocks of 2 millimeters, but the darker one will give you a centimeter. That's going to help you with your measurements, because often when they ask you to do your axis, they will tell you what size the units need to be.